Today I'll be showing one of the simplest strategies you could use to make 1,000 or more on Betway. So we'll be focusing on the La Liga, which the strategy works very well on that league, and I'll be making an example with the Real Madrid and Barcelona. So checking the stats of the Real Madrid and Barcelona, we'll be checking the last 6 matches of those teams. You can see that on October 23, 28th, Real Madrid won the match 2-1. On January 2024, 14th, we can see that Real Madrid won again 4-1. And also on April 21, 2024, you can see that Real Madrid won 3-1. Also on August 2024, on the 4th, that's when Barcelona started to win, which Barcelona did win 2-1. And on October 26, 2024, we can see that Real Madrid lost the match, Barcelona won 4-0. And on 12th January 2025, we can see that Barcelona won again 5-2. So the strategy that you are going to be using will be using the double chance. So here, if you're using this strategy, right, you could bet for this team to win or that team to win. For example, you could say Real Madrid or Barcelona to win, because you can see that when you're checking the stats, neither of the team, they've never drawed, they never made a draw. They've always won, this team or that team won. When you're checking here, you can see that. So that's one of the simplest strategies. If you want to learn more about more strategies, you could go on my channel and check the playlist. See you in the next video. Subscribe.